say, but then a Hummer or a spin, my pecker got stuck in the hoover again. Oh no, oh man, not this time. Caught in the cyclone of grime. Laugh or cry, it's hard to defend. My pecker got stuck in the hoover again. I tried to yank it, but it held on tight. Like a dog with a bone, it put up a fight. Neighbors heard my desperate refrain. My pecker got stuck in the hoover again. Oh no, oh man, not this time. Caught in the cyclone of grime. Laugh or cry, it's hard to defend. My pecker got stuck in the hoover again. Call the repairman, he won't believe how this happened on a Monday eve. Lessons learned, or will it depend on how many times I hoover again? Oh no, oh man, not this time. Caught in the cyclone of grime. Laugh or cry, it's hard to defend. My pecker got stuck in the hoover again.